Hi everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bereal application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Bereal application on your mobile device, make sure that you've connected your device to an internet. Once you do so, head over to your app drawer and tap open your app store or your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Bereal in the search box and search. You'll be able to find the application that says Bereal, your friends for real with this logo over here. Tap the install or the download button in order to begin the downloading process. Now wait for the application to be downloaded. Bereal application is a social networking app. On this application, you can easily communicate with your friends through photos taken in the limited time you have after the app sends you a notification. The application is free and it is available for your Android or your iOS devices. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button, and that is how you can easily download Bereal application for your mobile device. Now the app shortcut will be displayed on your app drawer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.